How to add a photo on a video in CapCut. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch CapCut app on your device. And here you can create a new project or select any video from existing projects. So let's open a particular video. Once you're on this editing section, tap Overlay at bottom right corner of the screen and tap Add Overlay. Select particular photo and tap on Add at bottom right corner of the screen. Now you can easily move or resize the photo as needed. And after that, you can easily adjust the timeline or add additional edits to enhance your project. You can even add animation for this photo by tapping animations at bottom right corner of the screen. So here you will get different free animations as well. If you are pro users on CapCut, you can even use pro animation as well. Now you can easily choose the duration like 1.5 seconds and then tap on tick mark at top right corner of the screen. And you can see that we already have added the animation for this photo as well. You can easily increase the length of this photo and apply it to all video. And then you can finally export the video by tapping export at top right corner, and that's it. You have successfully added a photo on a video in CapCut. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.